Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, this is the first time ever, at the channel that we ever spoken to someone that's identified themselves as a laborite. Yes, this is the first. This man is the first. So, welcome to the challenge. So this exclusive episode of Unfiltered Conversation bring you an enlightening discussion like never before. Brace yourself as we engage in an individual who claims to be a laborite from Joe Blaine, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Not only did he grow up alongside Terrence Bent, that's the famous senior superintendent of police. They grew up in the same community of Joe Blaine. But his shocking revelation will undoubtedly leave you astounded. Over 2 riveting hours, we dove deep into uncharted waters, exploring the hidden truths surrounding Jamaican politics and crimes. It's time for you to participate in this eye-opening experience as we share our unfiltered conversation with you. Before we delve into these pressing issues, let us reiterate that our channel is not affiliated with any political party. We are dedicated to empowering the Jamaican people and assisting them in reclaiming their beloved nation from the clutches of 63 elected officials who harbor sympathy towards criminals. At the Jamaica Young Police channel, our primary goal is to educate, inform, and inspire our viewers. We constantly strive to bring our best in each individual, transcending partisan lines. We firmly believe that to restore our country, and we must recognize that it is not solely the fault of the small-time criminals wielding guns and taking lives. The actual transformation lies with the hands of the lawmakers themselves. We promise to unwaveringly speak the truth through this platform, irrespective of any party's affiliation. We have no intention of sugarcoating or nurturing sympathy towards criminals within our audience. We aim to enlighten you while collectively working towards a safer, more just Jamaica. Join us as we unravel the harsh realities of Jamaican politics and crime, untangling the intricate web that has entangled our nation. Prepare to be shocked, informed, and ultimately inspired to take action. Remember, the truth will always prevail, and it hurts only the guilty. We must shed light on the darkest corners of our society, all in pursuing a better Jamaica. Stay tuned for more unapologetic truth-telling from the Jamaica Young Police channel. Yes, because our passion for justice knows no boundaries. So if you have reached this far on this video and you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police channel, go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and select also whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel upload a video, you'll be the first to receive a notification. Yes, click on the thumbs up button. If you click thumbs on, that means you're a criminal supporter. And we don't want the criminal supporters over here. Yes. So when you click on the thumbs up button, that means you want others to see. You want a message to spread. You don't want to keep it to yourself. Share it with your friend, your neighbor, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. That we here are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in preemptive strikes because they save lives. And we believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. We at this channel, as a family, we hate criminals with a passion. We don't care what political party the criminal is affiliated. Criminals are criminals, period. So, remember to share the video and comment below. And if you haven't joined the channel, yes, go ahead and join the channel. Join the Patreon squad. Support our mission of knowledge sharing and truth seeking. Together, let us rewrite the future of our beloved nation, Jamaica. So we want you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Right. But you really say you return calls and you really did one. I'm impressed.
Well, that's how it goes, you know. Anything I will say what we mean what we say. You understand?
All right. Well, it's not I'm not calling with any information, or I am not a person in the know, as seems like a whole heap of person call you. Just an ordinary man migrated from Jamaica and living in Houston, Texas. Well, League City, Texas, but you know, here in Houston, Texas. We have I answer a few of your me go on your make some comments sometimes. Just start with a civil discussion. In principle, I agree with you with what you're trying to achieve. And you know, having been in a, well, I wouldn't say, you know, for sure, say I'm not a criminal, but I've been arrested before, here in America. You know what I mean? For traffic and probably another, well, how would I say? I was arrested and charged for assault already. But that means they are criminal. The case was dismissed because it wasn't as I would expected it went. Anyway, that being said, just lay the foundation or something. In principle, I agree with you. But you know, say you contradict yourself.
Oh.
All right. A couple of things. One, you say you agree with preemptive strike.
Yes.
All right. And in principle, I agree with you. But you know, preemptive strike.
So am I contradicting myself?
Because preemptive strike, you're breaking the law. So
hey, look here, man. Let me tell you something. I serve in a United States military. I don't have time for them kind of like a baby and petty argument. But preemptive strike are murder. Preemptive strike save life. You understand? So I don't know what you're talking about. You see what is happening right now with Israel and Hamas. When Israel dropping bombs and Hamas military posts them, are they firing any? Are Hamas firing any weapon at the airplane them and the helicopter them? I am asking you a question, man. Are you look here?
No.
Okay.
No,
so all right. So
in principle,
let's listen, man. No. Nobody tell me about the principle and them thing. No, but hey, look here. You send down anybody come over here and them thing. We not come on look all right. We not come on look foolishness and them thing. They defend criminality. Just listen me I say, man. You see, once you start talking on him thing, me don't know say I defend criminal. So you see, look here, let me tell you this now, and listen to me. You see your house or which part you live, put a sign there say put a banner in front of your house. You see, I am a worktivist who just listen me. Just listen. No, man. No, me why? No, look here. Me why you listen? Listen what I am saying. I want it. Listen what? Listen to me, man. When you say me finish, then you talk. This is what me I tell you now. You live in a state of Texas. Put up a sign in front of a banner in front of your house and say, "You see my house." Anybody who want to, you want anything inside here, you want to break in and take anything, you can come in and take it, because I am sympathetic to criminals. And look, anything you want when you come in here and you see it and you want it, you can get, and you can have it. Because just listen to what I say, because I am sympathetic to criminals. Then what? Then all right. So.
But I am not sympathetic to criminals.
Oh, you mean you say? Then that's what I say.
It's not true.
So what? So all right. So. If you're not sympathetic to criminal, then all you talk about is a preemptive strike and murder. Preemptive strike and murder. Preemptive strike save life, because if I'm not, listen me. I'm explain it to you, and mama, papa, we and them thing there. If a man kill 5 people and the police come for him, you understand? Or the police and the military come for him, and he might resist. Then I have to use preemptive strike and take him out. He might resist.
That is not preemptive strike.
What is that? A preemptive strike and life you save. Him kill 5. Look here. All right, look here. Look here. Oh, you mean? Then who them normally black road for Jamaica? Them normally black road for preacher or women and picnic. Who them black road for Jamaica? Okay, all right. Okay, so what? So all right. So and look. You see the video from Mountain View. You know, you look at who you see out there with camera phone and I say a murderer and them thing. Who do that? Who's doing that?
All of that.
No, me ask you who do it. Who's doing it?
That's how women and different people.
Okay, all right. How will them call the soldier them? And who shot the soldier? A soldier shot him too.
All right. And I am saying to you, you see, maybe you should define what you consider.
No, me not have to define nothing. Me not for the preemptive strike save life.
But preemptive strike, you know.
Define what? Define what to who? Who may I try? Who may I try if it's so? After me not care about worktivists or human or criminal rights people. That's why. Look here. Yes, man, you are, man. Because you come out about preemptive strike and murder. As a different murderer.
All right.
So look here. So all right. So let me ask you. Hold on, man. Look here. No. May I tell you this between me and them thing there. You know many times when me in a police at Jamaica and them thing there, and boy get sacked, and people them say, boy, Mr. Porter was good at it. You know how much people that the boy they kill, and say me not kill all the man and all them thing there. Preemptive strike. You understand?
Mr. Porter.
Yeah.
So if you go for him, right? Let's say you go for him, and he might give you a problem. But you have all right for the kingdom, man.
Well, hey, look here.
But if you go for him, all right. If you go for him, you see?
Yeah.
And he sit up on the street side. When you go for him.
Yeah.
And you go for him, and you put him in a handcuff. And then you kill him. You would have considered that murder?
No, man, look here.
Preemptive strike.
No, we're not in a hypothetical thing. We're not. You understand? We're not preempting.
All right.
Preemptive strike save life. If you kill people, look here. This is it. That's why me love Edward here. You see, for you kill one of citizen them, a fair player. So we have to kill you. We have to kill you to prevent you. You kill one already, so we have to kill you to prevent you from kill two.
All right.
So let me explain that now to you. So you hear me say. The killer. No, listen what I say. Listen what I'm saying. You kill one person. So we know as the police and we see you now, we have to kill you to prevent you from killing the next person. A preemptive strike. No matter how you want to take it, whether him shoot off by police, you save life. Because that man is a killer. Period.
So let me ask.
Let me ask you this. So you say no, boy, for a man kill somebody and police you see him, boy, if you carry him in and them thing there. Well, if the police want to do that, I say go on them thing there. I feel them thing.
Listen to him, my friend.
Yeah.
When me I say no.
Yeah.
Right? This is what I am afraid of.
What are you afraid of?
When you empower the police like that. You see? And basically say, all right, you're free to do preemptive strike. What happened? You see? I'm going to use the most basic of explanation. What is going to happen when you say my woman, and he said my woman, fatter than female man, and you want my woman? These are the things that is scary when you empower the police like that.
Well, that's a petty. Well, look here. A police are a killer man because he want the man woman. A idiot police. That's not a police. A criminal that.
And that is the point me make.
So okay, all right. So all right, okay. So all right.
Criminals.
Hold on. So okay, all right. So look here. Look here. It's simple and them thing. Now let me tell you this. You have preemptive strike in a different realm. Preemptive strike, I don't know something where a man just come up and say a preemptive strike. You have to have audacity. Just like how when Edward Seaga was Prime Minister, you have audacity upon a man, him name a call and him a do this and that. You understand? Yeah.
Alright.
Them time them used to hang people and them time you have eradication.
Just like how you come out of the ghetto, me come out of the ghetto, Jubilee, Spanish Town.
Yeah, that's not ghetto. Let me tell you now. I'm not ghetto different from Capture Land. Ghetto a place where have infrastructure, where people build up them house, but the infrastructure is not nuanced. It's not contemporary.
Well, I guess me not come from ghetto then.
Yeah. So people will call ghetto and them thing that Spanish Town have ghetto. You have Capture Land. Capture Land different from ghetto.
All right. Well, where you call it then? Garrison.
Well, you can call it that too. Garrison or Capture Land and them thing. Because them not a title feet, them not paying no rent.
Right.
Do you understand?
I mean, you're free to make your definition. You come from the garrison, all right?
Yeah.
And here is why they think. That's why I'm saying I agree with you in principle. But if you are to look at it from another perspective, in that empowerment where the police get can work against the law-abiding citizens.
No,
because you have so much criminal police. You know the police force.
No, listen me on them thing there. Because if you listen to even this guy when named Bertnell Stewart say, and you hear Bertnell Stewart say, you see just like how them did have the squad when they're Clarendon. I just told this boy when them Chucky Brown chat too much on them thing there, you know. I don't know if he keep him out. Well, them, you see like that the squad when they're Clarendon. Them thing there, you know.
Full disclosure, me and Terence then grew together, so me know all about them. I wouldn't say I'm a person in the know, but me is not a police, but me know a few. You understand? Because we grew up together in the same place. Well, he come from St. Elizabeth, but we grew up together at Jubilee. Yeah. And if you will know Sir Jubilee him come from.
Yeah, and the music go KC.
Yes. So maybe but what the point that I make to you is this, you see?
Yeah.
I have seen from being in the garrison.
Yeah.
Where, say a police, where they have a term when they hear bad man news, and I realize that it can really happen where they can run a man wanted.
Oh, you mean run a man wanted? Oh.
All right, let me explain it to you. I have seen it happen already.
That's what I tell us. So tell me, because I'm a detective, I don't know what you say. You tell me something I don't know.
Let me explain it to you. All right, for one, me see then come pick up a youth. You see me? And carry him, go a station, just pull him up and then run him through the system and run area. Then I find nothing on him, then let him go. And another week afterwards, then come pick him up. Right? And then carry him to the station. Nothing. They not find nothing again. And about 3-4 every time he go to the station, he must say, yo, you know that man here? So I'm Jubilee bad man here. You understand?
So let me ask you this now. Between me and you now. Alright, you say police
and then him as a bad man when the youth was no bad man.
Really?
But
me don't know no man the police say a bad man and a bad man. Because normally police just get up so and just brand people, and the police do it. I people them in our community and people where them do things. You understand? So you tell me something now, I don't know and them thing. Me I learn, you know. You understand?
You don't know, but you don't know everything, Mr. Porter.
Where you hear me just say? Me say me I learn, me say me don't know a fit. Me say me I learn.
In peak, at the time, I was going to Jamaica Maritime Institute.
Okay, so all right, well, so why the police then pick on him specifically?
But them pick me up too.
So what? So why them pick what? Because you're a labor right or what?
Because me just don't play football and we don't play football and we sit down there. That's all.
How the police them pick you up?
Them pick me up too and carry me down from the stone.
Because you're on the street. All right. So
because me don't play football. I was a young man. 18, 19, I would play football and I done. I was attending Jamaica Maritime Institute at the time.
All right. So them carry go to the station and go check you out.
Yeah, and when them going there, say we pick up some Joblian bad man there. We pick up some Joblian bad man. Look here. Police make you have some police that make some loose and careless statement. And at the time when they carry me go down there, I was given the Duke Fuller Memorial Scholarship and I was studying at the Jamaica Maritime Institute to be a marine pilot, which I am now. Yeah, but look here, but between me and them thing, you see, I'm sure you know. You see, you live in a Joblian and them thing. What you should have done growing up, and you know the place there and them thing. Number one, you know, say you don't play football, you just go yard and them thing. If you sit down in a crowd, but almost some yard gate, you know. No, it's right almost some yard gate. Me can look from the yard gate. Yeah, but if you didn't have a yard, they think police will come take you up. Actually, up on the road. But that is. But listen, you live in America here. That is what children do. They play on the street. No man, you can't compare America with Jamaica. Listen, Mr. Porter, that was wrong. What? When police them the police. No, okay? No, you're not wrong. The police them want to know you because them don't know you. That's why them can't go to the station. Me do it. Look here. Look here. I am telling you, as a detective, I used to do it several times. You understand? And it is wrong. No man, it's not wrong. No man, hey look here, it's not wrong. Alright, may I tell you this? May I tell you I read it. May I tell you now? You didn't have a guy who come from Seaview Gardens, one named Big Chest. Big Chest was one of Jamaica's most wanted man in 1993, 1994, yes. Most wanted man of Jamaica. And that man wasn't hiding. Big Chest kill people at night, and in idea Big Chest there Rosalie Avenue. Right near to Jagai and where Jagai sell parts, and a brother named Peter Wilson. You understand? Him and one youth come from Marlwood and Christopher Porter. Same name like me. Yeah, me lock him up on them thing. And look here, I see him thing if we one day we stay and I pass through the place and you understand? And for some reason the police when him dead now in Kirk Palmer. I don't know. For some reason, him put some lick pan Big Chest pan him butt. You understand? When them lay down. Cause when him search Big Chest, him did find him with a ratchet knife. And you understand? But he never did take it from him and him thing. You understand? Cause him the Big Chest, most wanted man, him that he look like no bad man. And you know how although the description of people that get at this man and them thing. The description that we have Big Chest, it was nothing like what the man in a real person. You know, all we get for all Big Chest is a real pick up and a see if you pick up all heap of people and I see people call and say, cause nobody, you think people are gonna tell us boy a Big Chest that. No man can't tell you that. A people call the station, and talk, and say boy, and say, just listen to me and say, boy, call the state, call Unspear, and say Big Chest there, Mr. Porter, Mr. Bobby, and Mr. Nelson, and Mr. Palmer. And four of them did hold Big Chest the other day. Him and two other boy, and one boy named Chris. And them beat and a Big Chest, Mr. Palmer beat Big Chest. You understand? And then now them who our crime chief say, call we and say, Big Chest there, And them say, you don't know him. And I say, you don't know him. Man say, yes. So them call and say Palmer beat him on it. I would say, yeah, that him name, sir. The most wanted man. Most wanted man in Jamaica. So if we never did do that and them thing, Big Chest, you understand? So I don't know where you talk, man. The police them are acting in the ambit of the law. You understand? No, you know when me get to understand.
Yeah.
After that, you know the reason why? Because everything come. You know the reason why?
No.
The police who came and picked me up in the same lane, he had a car being worked on by a body man. You see me? But you see where we were playing football.
Yeah.
The body man wanted that ball ground to do as a garage. You understand? And so, based on that, you see, him and his friend conspire to come and start harass people who are playing football.
But you say you did there and them thing, you never say it upon the ball field.
No, me say we sit down, we don't play ball and sit down. And me could have seen me yard gate from where I was sitting. That's what I said.
So which police that?
You know, I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name, you know.
But you remember say ball field them once and them thing there.
Yeah, because
that is convenient. That is so convenient.
Afterwards it come out.
No, but may I tell you, say it's so convenient that you remember the body man. Just listen. You remember the body man want the football field.
That is more than 27 years ago. I don't remember the incident. I don't remember the exact.
No, man. Hey, look here. I can't tell you things.
If you remember that good, my one not that good.
Well, that is true. But all right, and the reason why I'm saying that if you look, hold on, all right. No, okay, all right. So let me ask you this: so if you can remember that a body man was working on a policeman car, so you don't remember any of my body man either?
Yeah, I remember any of my body man, of course.
Okay, all right.
He live same place there. He not gone away. So I mean when. Of course, I see him anyway. But I don't remember. I not keep police. I'm not criminal. I'm not business.
No, look here. At no time, I never say you're a criminal and them thing there. I just tell you, say, what police them do, they were in the ambit of the law when they pick you up. You understand? But as me I tell, hey, look here, let me tell you this now. All right, may I tell you this now between me and you?
The point I'm making
listen.
People have their biases and their ulterior motives for doing things. And it is. And many times, you will find out that they can act within the ambit of the law while still having an ulterior motive for their actions.
That's true. Fear, I know lie, I tell, and I agree with you. And
ultimate, when you say preemptive strike, what you're doing is giving a police ultimate power, and ultimate power corrupts absolutely, and power is a corruptive force.
Yeah, but look here, we live in a corrupt world and a corrupt society and them things, so. You understand? You can't fight fire with love. If fire go burn, you have to fight fire with fire. That's why you have firefighter.
And that's why I said to you, say in principle, you know. Remember when we started by saying in principle, I agree with what you say, and I agree with what you try to achieve. You understand? And the reason why you are where you're at, you know, Mr. Porter, is because of how the thing has gotten so much out of control, you know. That are the reason why you reach where you're reaching. You understand? All right, me go show you this. You know, you just say you can't compare America with Jamaica.
True.
You see me? Do you support preemptive strike in America?
I mean, I support it. Of course. You don't see it happen all the time with police. You don't see it happen all the time with police. Police kill black man and no gun. He might run from the police and the police justify to kill him.
And you consider that a justified killing?
Me and the law.
Come on, Mr. Porter.
I mean, if me support it, I feel them. Look here. I did a video the other day. You know. I saw a video. You know. I saw 2 police in the south. You know. A black man outside a gas station I sell DVD. Him have gold teeth and him have a concealed permit. But based on the penal code for that city that he was in, I don't remember the exact state and the exact city, but the penal code there prevent him from selling CD outside of the gas station. And when the police them confront him, he was resisting and then put him on the ground. and him have a gun. I don't know if you ever see that video there, and the police them execute him. You ever see that video yet?
I think I know
them
the one
shoot him on the ground and kill him. Execute him. Them kneel upon him and them say and the district attorney say I justify shooting.
Alright.
Okay.
Now if you have a concealed.
No, look here. If I had Jamaica now, you know, so then the police say, them the police are going to prison. Because we live in a criminal's paradise where in a Jamaica. In a Jamaica, no, listen, man. Listen what I'm saying, man. And when we finish, listen me, man. When we finish, then you can talk. In a Jamaica, we as a people have been cultured, nurtured, and socialized to be criminal-minded people. Am I wrong or am I right?
You say we. I was never cultured or socialized to be a criminal.
You weren't cultured, nurtured, and socialized to be a criminal in a Jamaica?
No.
All right.
No.
Okay. All right. You come from a labor. Well, me never live in a labor coming in. Me come from a PMP.
Yeah, we come from a labor.
All right. Just listen.
And that has to do with my strong.
Hold on. Me not talk about your parent, man. Me not talk about community. So all right. So listen to me now. So between me and you, first labor right me I talk to and them thing there. Yeah. Cause me I tell you, so between me and you, labor right never call me and them thing there. I'm also PMP and them thing there. Cause PMP always have problem with me. So, alright, so man. Me never say you have no problem. Just listen, man. Me never say you have no problem. Me just tell you about based on what I am doing and them thing there. Because a PMP community me born and grow. So look here now. In your community now, them never teach you, them never teach you. Say your biggest enemy, you must hate the police. Say police are your enemy. In a Joe Blaine, a liberate community. Me not talk your family, me not talk the community. Them never tell you that.
Well, I can say.
No, tell me no, well, man. Is it a yes or no?
The police. I wouldn't say them teach me to hate the police, because nobody can teach me.
No, okay, all right. What should I say then? The code, the code within the community when it comes down to the police. Don't they teach it, impart it to you that the police is your enemy? Me not attack your family, me attack the people, maybe all your family too.
And I would say no.
Okay. All right. Look here. Listen what me I say. No, look here. Just listen what me I say, man. You saying that you are going in a talking point that come like some politics thing. That's why me just is either yes or no. Me I tell you now which one me come from. From me a baby and them thing they have sense. The people them in my community, the first enemy you have in a Jonestown is the police. Me I tell you that. So that's why me I tell you say. So all right, you say okay. Just listen. No. So you come from a labor community, so you are more law abiding people then. All right. Too long. All right. In your community, them teachers about if you eat all PMP, yes or no?
No, sir.
All right, calm down. All right,
just say no to that.
Just listen to me. I say no. All right, well, in my community, may I tell you that now. In my community, where me born and grow, two main people you're supposed to eat in Jamaica: the police and you eat every labor right. So you see the difference. So you come from all the people. Man.
I wasn't cultured like that.
Well, may I tell you, the police are your enemy. And look here now, an informer for dead. Them not teach you that in your community too.
Well,
No, tell me about no well. Yes or no? Them teach you that?
No, I can't say that I was.
Them never in your community, them must say informer for dead and he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life.
I hear this.
Me not talk about here. Like me say if I'm a part of a culture in a community where you come from a Joe Blade. Yes or no?
I would have said yes, that is.
Okay, alright, so I'll say
but that culture was never imparted to me.
No, me not talk about it imparted to most of the youth them. It's all have to do with your mind, and your parenting. You think me have good parents and them just tell me say, hey, you don't see them people there, them not gonna win a life, You see all the time we leave here, for them pitney I go still live down here because them believe say the government are gonna take them out of them problem, and then they know say government are them problem. Is that the police are them problem? Because the reason why we are cultured to be criminal minded people. You're supposed to see people things, and if you want it, and them not give you kill them and take it. I saw it going on with the PMP, So you know tell me now about your community. You're a laborer, you come from a laborer community and them thing there. Not mean to say you're a laborer and them thing there, you understand? Because automatically when you come from a community, everybody get brainwashed, but not everybody brainwashed. Some people brain get washed out, you know what I'm saying? And some people brain mold in a different way. Once you can think and know the difference between wrong and right, nobody can fool you. You understand? So I just saw it go. But it's a joy talking to the man. At first, I talk to a labor rights still, you know, believe you me, you know. Yeah, man. Me never talk no labor because I can tell you this. Most of the time, the people, them, if you look on the comment them on them thing there, you hear them say, me buy it. So that's why I always have to ask them, say, boy, it seems like Uncle labor right alone are honest people at Jamaica.
All right. There's a couple of points where I wanted to say to you. Another point that I wanted to make was you mentioned the Eventide home.
Yes, sir.
No, I was a very young boy when that happened, but I remember.
So, how old are you?
47.
Are you so old, me, man?
Well, I guess I saw some people sound.
I just saw it go on them thing, yeah.
But that now nothing to do with nothing.
Yeah, man, that's cool, man. Because I tell you how you sound on them thing there.
The point is this. The point is this. You see?
Yeah.
When I check back the records, right, and I listen and hear some, I hear somebody mention to you about the I think it was the economic hitman. I listened to that.
Yeah.
That presentation and some other things. Now, based on information that I have gathered and seen, right, over a period of time, it would, even though Siaga my prime minister, but I think Siaga was in cahoots with the CIA at some point. I think it is my opinion.
No. Look at it. May I tell you straight up? There is no denying that he was in bed with them because the man is American.
Right.
All right. Before me, he
turned on them.
Well, no, man. He never turned on them, man.
I think he turned on them in the interest of Jamaica.
No, man. Siaga never turned on them, man. You have it wrong, man. Why you think Bruce Golding have to resign as prime minister? Why you think Dudu Salin up in a prison? Why you think all of the drugs man them spend where buy vote and get rid of Siaga and Bruce Golding? I CIA why all of them man in that prison. After them do that, Siaga come straight to Washington and go straight and talk to George W. Bush, and I saw them start everything. I mean, Siaga never abandoned them. Siaga American, and him always close to the American system, so he never abandoned them. In case you do, may I tell you this same thing. Any military base where you go and you go in a library and read, when I talk about genius, financial, economic and financial genius,
yeah, man. You can't
Edward Siaga. Did you know that is Edward Siaga give the world reggae music? When we say give it, him are the one to promote it internationally.
Yes,
okay.
Man. Yes,
all
man.
Right.
You can't take
okay. But most Jamaican do not know. Not even Bob Marley know that. Most Jamaican don't know that. He's the man that responsible for that.
More Jamaican than Wally for Jamaica.
Okay, all right, thank you. But all right.
You can't take with that from him, man.
I know so most Rasta don't even know say Marcus Garvey is a national hero and bring back Marcus Garvey.
You can't take with that from him.
Okay.
But the point for me I say he had his good part. He would have some bad. Nobody no perfect. Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
You understand? You know? And just the way we see it right now, you see? You speak about Michael Manley and I was of the same opinion as you. There were some things that I think the ideology, not all, some of the ideology that he had was good. But they couldn't operationalize the ideas they had. That is what the Labour Party have over the PNP. They know how to operationalize things. So right now, when you look at the manifesto that Andrew is working on, it's very close to the PNP manifesto. Very close to the PNP manifesto.
Well, look here. I tell people all the while, say Michael, the Prime Minister is Michael Manley 2.0. I said that it's on the channel. I said that long time.
Yeah.
Me said that long time. So that's all not new. Me don't say that already. Same man, Michael Manley 2.0.
So there were some ideas that Manley had that could have worked, but the people couldn't work with them at the time. They weren't ready for that type of leadership. But here is what I have to say, though. What I will credit Mr. Manley with, he had the opportunity to rob up Jamaica money. I am of the opinion that he didn't, based on the in family of that economic wealth, like one for other politician family.
Yeah, I'll see I got dead poor to it. Two of them dead poor.
Yeah, I never poor man. Mr. See I go borrow millions and saying forget.
You thought the thing with the with the place, the tourism place.
I think I carry no garden.
Yeah, but we hear that.
Borrow millions and the whole country and saying forget it.
Well, because I'm around the country and them thing there, so you understand. Would I cut him so? Him say him no member, just so it one them thing that. Him say it, you know, whether you believe him or not, you know.
All right, fine. But he was a financial genius. You can't take that from him.
Well, I want to tell you, say the little brother, him name, the one that did it right now, him like him bad still low because at 6 years.
Nigel Clark,
yeah, man, you have to give him credit on them thing.
It seemed like him is one of them, what you call them, rear admiral there to do, man.
But, no, well, I can't say that, you know, because
I can't say it, but...
I spoke to a policeman, you know, when know him very well, you know, and the man tell me, say, boy, I'm a gallus, you know, and I don't know, like Peter Bunting, where the man, they are rear admiral and them thing, and the man married up, and me have him woman, that, I mean, to say him can't be the rear, but we can't just get up and just say, because, you know, Jamaican people, all right, look here, you know, Jamaican people, when time them want to solid people near one them thing there, they must inject them thing there, you understand? So you know see. So like one of the biggest mistake that to me when he make when him go call the guy and them thing there. Be a minister of finance and man say something bad, but you get a lawyer for write a letter for cease and desist. Where you behave, you know, you behave like some little man baby this and them thing there. You know do that.
True.
Yeah, you understand.
Their feelings are too easy.
Yeah, you understand. You know, see, you know, you can't be no man baby when you're in politics and them thing there. Especially, hey, look here, especially when you deal with the PMP. PMP is a criminal organ. Hey, I lie.
All right.
Hey, the most lie we ever tell for me, you know, as police, you know, PMP police do it, you know. May I tell you, you know.
That is another thing.
Cowboy, Ricky Bailey. May I tell you, you know, may I tell you, say, the wickedest police them when me deal with in a police force. May I tell you, first one black one named Leroy Sparks. I say no allergy, you know. Leroy Sparks is a man, yeah, him and Donald Zeeks Phipps a friend. He was a crime officer at Kingston Central, and every lunchtime, him sit down on a matches lane with Zeeks and Zeeks boy them, and Zeeks have a little batty boy where, you understand, sit down right in between him leg, and him son, you know, if I even my son couldn't sit down between my leg, and him and the crime chief sit down with him. That I first, that I want the man, they are more PMP than Michael Manley, you know, him, you know, Leroy Sparks, you know, brother, him live beside stadium. Over this, over Nannyville.
And you say you not say alleged.
Me not say alleged. You know, me tell you say, make him come sue me, make Leroy Sparks come sue me. Leroy Sparks, look here. Leroy Sparks, I mean I tell you a big PMP police. Leroy Sparks take gun, M16 rifle from Zeeks and carry it from Matches Day and carry a Cockburn pen. Go give one brother named Tuba. Me not talk about no alleged. Me have a schoolmate.
Anybody say anything to you, there's one thing a liar will tell you, say. The truth is an absolute defense. So from the truth, you not have to say alleged. But there's another point I want to make across. Across to you, and that I think you're doing an excellent job. However, one of the things I think you should try to be a little less of is political. Let me tell you why I say so. Because when you mention the political and why, you know, like the PMP and
No. Hold on. You hear me say me not like the PMP?
No. I was just.
No, but you can't imply so you cannot imply something that I have said. Because look here, let me tell you this now. No. Before you go no further, let me tell you this now. And listen. What I have said about the PMP. You have a woman named Edda Robinson that was member of parliament. I said, if the PMP have women or politician like her, the PMP party would be a better organized. It would be a political party. But the PMP no want a decent. They want people who are criminal minded to be in the. That's why it's a criminal organization.
All right.
On God's earth, are your government in a power, and you go upon parliament floor, and you tell the Jamaican people, say, look, you have a man who is most wanted man in a Spanish town, and my government abandoned me, the member of parliament, for criminal. You know, see, my party is a criminal organization.
All right. So listen this. Here's why. Let's say maybe if you're the less political.
No, I am not. Look here. I am not political. I am just being honest and truthful.
Yeah, all right.
So
okay,
look here. The truth hurt only the guilty. I'm telling you already anything. I am not here to massage nobody ego. I'm not here. Look here. Me not do nothing for no views and them things. Me just educate the people them. Look here. Me not go stop telling people them the truth about the PMP. And anything about the Labour when me know me, I tell them to. If you look on, look here. If you look on the channel, you know, and if you look on the same channel, you know, you will see, you know, where even before me start even touch the PMP, you look, you know, in a channel, you know, how me beat all even the Prime Minister and all them things there, you know.
Yes.
You understand?
But just give me a look. You hear me or not? The reason why I say that, you see, is because I would not want to see your channel become like a political platform, because it is not. It is something to educate the Jamaican diaspora and the Jamaican people and help them to understand the crime problem that is facing us, and even ways in which we can deal with it and find constructive solution. Now, when you go off, when you start inject the politics,
what politics? What politics?
Like you're saying, you know, even true or not, which I think you are right. So they are a criminal organization based on some of the things where you say and some of the things that I've heard as well. But the point is that if people just take it as a political platform, they are not able to reach as much people.
Well, look here, I'm going to tell you this now. As I say already and everything, they say over here, sir, we don't serve no sympathy drinks, you know. We don't serve listen.
I'm a supporter. It's just what me think.
Yeah, man. I know. I look here. Yes.
It's an opinion.
Yes, man. And nothing is wrong. You're not the first on them thing if you say it. You're not. Hey, look here. My channel, I only channel will lose subscriber. You know. I mean, I have no problem for them going, because I mean, I go say nothing for nobody because me a massage them ego. Me I tell them the truth, and the truth hurt only the guilty.
And I think you know, even when a person like hear the truth, but then when the truth talk, then hear it, you know. They just have to say, I am just saying, maybe. All right, me go tell you, when your nemesis there, when Lonesome started.
Ugly Some. Yeah, Ugly Some, yeah.
When Mr. Ugly Some started out, I listened to him. I used to listen to him, you know. I used to listen to him a couple of times, and I listened to him. And then when me start listening to him now, I said, what do you on there, man? This man is a political. This man is a politician, man.
No,
this
look here.
A campaign.
No, look here. All right, look here.
The PMP.
Anybody? No, listen me. Any CN Jamaican or CN person who listen to Ugly Some and this channel and compare both, that person need to forget the med check.
All right.
Period.
I'm not saying
you have never heard. Look here. You never heard me over here. I defend nobody because them I say boy them poor, and say boy I fight against the youth them. You never hear me over here. I tell you say boy I tell you this or that about Siaga. The only thing you hear me say me love Edward Siaga because Edward Siaga make us safe. That's all me say. Me not talk about the other thing them when do all them things.
That's the reason why you like.
I mean, then Siaga was the man who restored discipline to Jamaica.
Right.
And nobody else can. No other prime minister never do that. Right. So if a guy don't like that, that's a fee business. Because when Edward Siaga was prime minister, you think no guy could have bought them no extortion, and then it grew like how it happened in Spanish Town when PJ Patterson and all them hand over downtown to Zeeks and do this and scrap eradication. Everything that Siaga had.
But they are the ones, the politicians created this monster, you know.
No, man. No, look here. Siaga, they tame it and I take time to eradicate it. Look at the murder rate when Michael Manley took over from Siaga in 1989. And from this, from the PMP, you get the country mash up in a comeback. So if you, look here, the only time you witness the police force being defunded is the PMP do it when I was police officer on Spear. I saw me start to ride bicycle because I'm a patriot and I love Jamaica. So I'm not talk about that because I talk about that, I'm a labourer. I'm not busy when a guy wants to say, at them defund it whenever I'm the police vehicle. You understand? When the PMP in a power, we don't have no vehicle and the boy, them just kill people. And we at Unspear, we couldn't even take it. We couldn't take it number one. We said, no, man, we have to do something about it. And that's how we start the bicycle thing. And see, in a long run, a part of the police, it's a part of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And nobody never called me and said, boy, you know, congratulations because at this reduce crime, get rid of all the criminal, find all the gun and all them things. And eventually, my team, we eradicate bus robbery. Because boy, they went and them rob bus, them don't even, most time, them don't even know whether them done and I come off, them all meet up in a way. Because a few times that happen, and a man I say, boy, a man start think about him life and I say, boy, you know what, you better me just slow that. A years, the bus robbery never used to go on in a St. Andrews South. Until then time we leave because bus robber, them used to feel it. Because man, them used to say, boy, come like them a man here dope here. Where them a police all these come from? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, they robbed me from Tankton Bridge couple of times.
Well, I tell you said that we eradicate that at Unspear when I was there. How you think the police I call me and say, boy, this, that. I 3 times them say, hey, boy, I get promotion. And then now, what's that going on? Because I never have no godfather and them thing. And then now, me involved in that. Me have to save man life. You understand? And people black road and this and that. Them say, boy, them not promote me and them thing. But me see them promote them friend. Them promote them friend where all thief, coke, and all them thing. But you me are not thief. Yeah. So that you understand, them pull back force and take off my name. Say, boy, when I promote him, because you do that, show him, say, boy, when am I doing them thing? Although I'm work, I do other so it goes, so, you know.
Yeah, but...
Hey, look here.
But that,
hey, look here. Let me tell you this. I am not doing this in of views. I mean, I do this in of money. I tell you all them thing. Me tell everybody. You understand? Because you say if me not do this in views, me know if I control the people, them and them thing. If you say a nice thing them to them. You see other channel, you see... nobody now offend nobody because they don't want to lose views. This is the only channel where we tell you saying if you're a criminal minor and criminal, nobody come over here because we don't want you over here. Tell me, you know any other channel who say that?
No, and I know you say it from the very get-go. But
no, may I ask you, you know any other YouTuber who say that?
No, not that I'm aware, but I know of YouTuber who has said, listen, feel free to hit the dislike button and go on.
Yeah, well, we don't tell them no dislike button. We tell them say we don't want them over here, period. And we just tell them it's innate, a part of the intro.
But you know, disagreeing with you is not no means say you're a criminal. On some points,
no. Once you're sympathetic to criminal and them thing, there, me not tell once people. Hey, look here. Look here. Criminals don't have no rights.
Do you think I am sympathetic to criminals?
In a sense, not fully, but in a sense, yeah, like you know. Let me tell you now. You don't believe in an eye for your eye and them thing. There. You believe in a say boy. No, look here, no. You believe in a just like where the woke activists them say. You understand? Boy, if a man say a man is innocent until proven guilty. That a year. That's how law say no. But you have to remember saying no. The law is there no. The only time you get in a problem with the only time you get in a problem with the law. Yeah, the only time you get in a problem with the law when you break it. I not believe in a breaking the law, Bennett.
Alright.
Yeah, so you just saw it go on them thing there. Yeah man, so it's a joy talking to the man and them thing there, man, you understand? And
let me tell you something, you see. It is the biases of the unfairness, as well you point out, and the criminals that are in the police force, I am afraid of. Now, if you have good police, you see, that is dispensing justice the way how it should be without fear or favor, right? And without bias, then maybe we would have feel a little better about what you say about preemptive strike.
Yeah, but as I tell you on them thing, if you listen to what the suggestion, I did it in the video, you know, with the Ninja Man video, you know, where Burtnell saying, Burtnell's short, you know, what the man telling you about the same thing like we see I got have, you know. This squad would operate on a need to know basis. The media don't have to know nothing. They don't know. All right. You don't know. So although we have the military here in America and them thing there. You know, you are sometimes when some things happen over there on the battlefield. Sometimes all 12 different stories you hear them give me that, don't it?
Yeah.
Anybody look here, and the only people who would have condemned the military with that and them thing there, I walk to visit them. The same people them, you know, them are look out for people them will kill them, you know. That's why we say them. That's why I say people who are sympathetic to criminal, if you put one banner at them house and say, yeah, hey, look here, me love criminal, and me love killers, and me love rapers and robbers. See my house here? Yeah.
Is that your original idea?
What? What may I tell you on them thing there?
Go put in a banner house and say, is that your original idea?
No, I don't my original idea. Me always I said that on them thing there. Me always I said that. Say people when they come on to criminal and them thing there. That's why I tell you, I believe in a preemptive strike. A man for your sympathetic to criminal, you have to make him know, say you sympathetic to criminal.
Let me tell you when I believe in now.
Yeah.
I believe in say if I'm an eye for an eye, I'm gonna finish. I believe that. I believe say a criminal, if you take a man life, he's cold-blooded, and he's career criminal, then for broke their neck. You understand?
Yeah, but
all right.
Okay. All right.
Here is where me don't believe in now. I don't believe in I don't trust the JCF with that kind of power, because it is a corrupt organization. So, they believe some man, if he kill a man in dead. But I don't have confidence or trust in the JCF. That's my issue.
Well, hey, look here, and nothing is wrong with what you say and them things.
And I don't think you believe or trust in them either.
Well, not all of them. Some of them, me trust.
Don't believe or trust in them. Oh, you want to empower them, so?
No, man, no, because I know the people them and them thing that I know will carry out them duty effectively. You have some good. Hey, look here, may I tell you this now? Of all of the big man them in our police force right now and all them thing there, me can't tell you. And the police force do the service to the you have a brother, you know, uncorruptibly, you know, in our police force. One brother named MacArthur Sutherland, you know, one black brother, you know. Them call him the Black March.
Which part in there?
No man, them put him them man they not really out there and them thing there. That's a police way, Gala England we could have made money because
13.
No, him that one place near iProb. But me I tell you say he's a man hard. Anytime you have a policeman and him used to work out at Kingston East, Elliston Road, and him and Danai Williams and a friend, that's a good police. You hear me just say? You hear me just say?
I get you.
Okay. So that's why I said that on them thing there. If any police, me of course we used to work out there and them thing there with him, you know, and you understand. So if I don't know if him changed, but based on what me know back then and them thing there, him and them kind, him and one ex-police on named Bunchy Brown. I don't know if Bunchy Brown is inspector now. Them and they are a friend. Because Bunchy Brown them man in a light criminal. Them man in a keep friend with criminal. Them man in a licky police.
But you see, I can tell you that these men who were incorruptible, and you know them dispense justice the way it ought to be, and do them job without fear or any favor.
Yes.
You understand? They don't get promoted.
No man, he's an assistant.
You're an example of that.
Well, that is true. He's an assistant commissioner of police.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying All right.
MacArthur Sutherland, so you don't know. So
that sound like him slip through the crack.
yes, you understand, because
but that is not the norm, Mr. Porter.
That is true. That is true. And because maybe because in the up there I work with the Queen. Cause I did that England as Jamaican police. I work up there with Scotland Yard and them thing there. Cause he made for boss wally by big Jamaican drugs than them upper England, you know. I live in America,
so
and him could
training with Scotland Yard.
Yeah, man. So you understand?
Right.
We're a good police, man. So
but,
I don't. In my only police where used to that eat Elliston Road. You say all the cool police, the one named Duppy police.
Don't know him.
Yeah, man. You see them police who rob Bulby coke, man, and then Bulby send him man and go shut him up. So you never hear me talk to him and hear me tell me and them thing. Anytime I lick him, him not even know say me know all of them thing. You know, say I rob the man and them coke until me ask, and I tell him say, but now you rob the man them coke and I saw them come shoot you up, and then it's like you lick a man and them thing there, and him just start talking and say, boy, a Bulby this and that and them thing there. Oh, you as a policeman. Oh, you as a detective. Oh, you have the most wanted man a Jamaica telephone number in your phone. You know, must protect him.
But I'm a supporter. But these are the men that you are empowering with preemptive.
No, man. No. All right. Look here now. I'm telling you now between me and you. And so, all right. So, what I'm telling you now. Guess and tell me. I'll do him a police. Guess and tell me what him a tell you say him a what kind of police.
Not good police. No police.
No, guess and tell me what kind of police him a tell you say him a what kind of police. And him say it loud.
You don't know licky.
Well, no, him not tell you that. Him a tell you say him a PMP police. Okay. And him a start loud. Because most police, majority of police them. Why you think Peter Bunting out there and a defend Rowan James? Because him know him corrupt. So that's why a man like Clifford Coleman can out there and I say, boy, him a defend. Him out there defend criminal. And he will tell you straight and say him a PMP police. May I tell you this? Listen to me. The same police may I tell you now when you're in Clifford Coleman. I'm a batchmate, you know. Because you see, the difference with me and them, this is not a licky police and them thing. I could have make money. You see me, you know. Me believe in you're supposed to have integrity and them thing. Me not have no problem to get with a criminal. I just some mistake. For a criminal, me not have no problem. Me not like police a thief. Me not like police a mix up on them thing. You see him police, you know. Me see him in a company. I'm used to bodyguard Danai Williams, you know, for about 9 years straight, you know. Danai Williams, them time Danai Williams and Jared Flash and Tony Brown are friends. Me see him, so more or less, you know, I don't know, because him Ox and Danai Williams, and Danai Williams will keep police unless them a commit all contract killing for him, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. I saw them on the work, you know. Me I tell you, yeah, because police come to me and them thing.
Criminal police.
Of course, and them see man get promotion like all the cowboy them and the ox them and them thing. They them have secret the politician and criminal. Why you think Mark Golding want a man to spend the rest of their life in a prison for murder? Because them have the people, them the same youth them I kill people out there in a business world too. You understand? And same poor people them I kill. But and poor people, and them not love poor people, you know. Because you know, say them mostly are dead. You understand?
No, they love make people poor.
No man, no that have no. Me tell a man all the while and them thing. That's the only thing we know say PMP good for create is criminals. That's all. You understand? The only thing where them good for is create criminal and create poor people. And look here where they do them, you know. Alright, it's just like how me I talk to one of my cousins and them thing and he must say, boy, just like what you say about Nigel Clark, I must say, say, boy, the brother is good. And I mean, I say, what you mean him good? So, boy, my labor right on them thing there. I must say, oh, no, man, but say, Peter Phillips did that, make well fair pay taxes, egg. So I say, but I say, you still vote for PMP, don't it? I say, yeah, because you don't know how you think. So, them know all the people, them stay. No care where you do them still just vote, because them can't think. Yeah. Them just emotionally attached on them thing there. So not until the people them can't think. So that is why my job now, you know, as the narrator over here and them thing there, we try to educate the people them and get them sensitized.
All right.
You understand?
All right. One of the things we have always we point out a lot of problems, we point out a lot of issues. All right. let's, because I'm still on this preemptive strike issue. Let's give a hypothetical situation. Let's assume you're the commissioner of Jamaican police. How would you dispense your idea of preemptive strike?
All right, look. All right, before you even go no further, you see, just like, all right, may I tell you now, you see, like the squad, the dead squad that they have a Clarendon, although that was working off the books. Yeah, if you listen, just listen to the video, what I say with Ninja Man, Burtnell Stewart, just listen what him say. You're going to have a squad, because, hey, trust me, I never did know say you have Jamaican who think like me and them thing there, say, say enough time, some people say, boy, I sound like me's a madman, or me talk and them thing there. But me no business, cause I just summit. No, I just summit.
No, I tell me say if me get prime minister, then would have something when me said would have they would have charge me for genocide.
But hey, so let me tell you something between me and you. I may I tell you this. Even one time I a police and all them thing. May I tell you how me all think. Me all say, boy, may I tell you this, Me say, based on 1 and 2 little thing, me say, boy, say all some of all them gas the way you see Saddam Hussein use and kill off over 100,000 Kurds. Remember I say them thing that odorless and colorless, Me I say, boy, say, me I tell you, say, you say, I saw me, hey, look here, I saw me, I say, boy, say, I don't all back to an all them place, You can't just go there and pay enough, because all of them people are just parasite. Them not,
my God. I can't agree with that.
No, but may I tell you, not all of them, most of them, because them don't want to work, them are socialists and them are thieves.
I can't agree with that.
But me just tell you, I just hey, I live in my community and them thing there, Jonestown and Jungle. And so one at a time I think. So me I tell me when Saddam Hussein use it gas them and them thing there. Me I say, boy, it's true me as a security man, me I say, say that Jamaica need and them thing there. We need something like that, like what Saddam Hussein used upon the Kurds them. I remember say over 100,000 Kurds him killing. You remember?
Yeah, but that you see, and when you begin to take on that, sometimes you think about it, but when you step back and look at it, when you begin to take on that persona, right there, so you play God,
and you start lose your moral compass.
Exactly. Yeah, I remember me tell you, absolute power corrupts absolutely.
Yeah.
And I remember this. Power is a corruptive force. I believe it was Sir Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln said, I'm not sure this thing, but every man have the propensity to withstand adversity. You understand? Every man can withstand adversity. You want to find out a man's true character, give him power.
True.
You see what I say?
Yeah, man, true.
So when you start take on that believe you are God, you're gonna lose, as you say, a moral compass. So I mean, sometimes and the we all these people like all the East Kingston riot, and you see some people that go on, they say, yo, if soldier could just shoot all of them and kill them, and you see some people are being
no, but well, I mean, I got to tell and that's and
but,
me
but,
me
but
now say
step back.
No, look, like me me see them people that them behave with the soldier them and them thing there. And me I say no, yeah, you see all the time the gunman them going to feed them community and slaughter. Me not sorry for them. Me I tell you.
Yeah.
Because you see like how them are use the cat. Why them don't do it when they come? Because only people who abide by the law, them only law abiding people them deal with like that. Criminals, now no empathy, or sympathy for them, You see,
right, so
hey.
listen this now. You see, you bring up culture. You bring up culture.
Yeah, so we have, come to the end of part 1 of this 2-part series. I'm talking with this man. Hope you have learned something from the conversation. It was a pleasure, talking with this man. So you see, over here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, this is not about us, When we said us, it's not about us here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. It's all of us. Yes, it includes our audience, because all we just want back our island. We just want back Jamaica, and we want it back from these people. They're the one that destroyed Jamaica, and why we are in this pickle right now. Have a beautiful day, and part 2 will be coming up. Part 2 will be coming up shortly. I wish you a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.